I'm Will Rogers. I run Motion Engineering Services in the Hunter. Behind me, I have a mine roof support and a breaker line support. In the first quarter of the year, we stripped the machines. Upon stripping the machines, we found that there was an enormous body of work to do with the overall overhaul of the machines. We engaged Motion Fluid Power Solutions to manufacture all the hydraulic hoses for us, and we engaged Motion Industrial Solutions to supply all of the bearings and electric motors for the machines. So there was a minimisation of doubling up with margin through a usual engineering shop or repairer sourcing from industrial suppliers or fluid power solutions. We've only put one layer of margin through this to benefit the customer overall. From a customer's perspective, we've minimised the amount of ordering for different parts because it's all coming from an internal network. We were very efficient with our turnaround times for manufacturing of hoses. Our parts supply for bearings and pins was fantastic. The job came in, the machines were fully stripped. Upon fully stripping the machines, we noted that there was going to be some long lead time items from the OEM in America. We were able to minimise these with our stock in our distribution centres, and Fluid Power Solutions was able to assist us to produce the hoses to an MDG 41 standard. The job flowed really well. We had plenty of support from Motion Fluid Power and plenty of support from the stock on hand within the national distribution system, knowing that they were able to rely on us to create a competitive offering as we are importer for a lot of the product. There's not multiple layers running through. It's sourced directly from our distribution centres and directly from the manufacturer. So we're just taking out all those lines where there's unnecessary margin placed on items. From a customer's perspective, we've saved time and energy associated with managing multiple suppliers for the overall rebuild of their machine.
Hi, I'm Tim Jeffrey. I'm a manager for Motion Fluid Power Solutions in the Hunter Valley. So Motion Fluid Power Solutions was engaged by Motion Engineering and Services to provide hose kit for these machines, which had to be of an MDG 41 standard. So it allows Motion Engineering and Services to be able to come to us at Motion Fluid Power Solutions, so it works in seamlessly with the projects that they work on. So the main part of our role was to provide a hydraulic hose kit that contains assembling the hoses, testing the hoses, sleeving, tagging for quality assurance and traceability, then providing them back to Motion Engineering and Services as a full kit, tagged, ID'd, ready to fit back on the machine with ease. So one of the main advantages for our customers is they don't just have access to our services from Motion Fluid Power Solutions, we can also access for them the trades and services available from Motion Engineering and Services and also our industrial services businesses. So part of the project as well, our safety team helped design and improve the safety factor on the hoses. So this took them from a 350 bar hose to a 420 bar hose.
Hi, I'm Scott Olsen. I'm the branch manager here at Motion Industrial Solutions for the Hunter. Will from Motion Engineering Services reached out to Paul, myself and my team for the supply of couplings, bearings and bushers for the gearboxes. I believe there was a short lead time. We had to source some parts from Melbourne and Sydney, so I think it was about a 2 or 3 day turnaround. We didn't have all the parts in the Hunter, but I was able to source them through the distribution network and have them here within 2 to 3 days. We have an extensive range of products across Asia Pacific, and with a collaborative effort, we're able to bring them all together in a timely manner.
The main advantages for our customers are they don't just have access to our products and services, we can also engage our other lines of businesses, which include our trades and our products.
Here at Motion, we can provide the full offering in-house through the 3 lines of business: engineering services, fluid power solutions and industrial supplies.
So having all these trades and services local means that we can get quick access to the right product and the right information from the right people.
With the great relationship we have with our lines of business here at Motion, we're able to come together and deliver the best package for our customer.